Please make sure to close and remove all gas sources before conversion process. Release the quick connector. Remove the trash bin. Remove the oven from the stone cabinet. Remove all the moving components from the oven. Flip over the Kano oven, put on a soft surface to prevent scratch. Disconnect the motor. Remove the screws attached to the bottom panel. Remove the bottom panel. Remove the hose to release the orifice. Remove the screw from the igniter. Remove the wires to remove the igniter. Remove the gas inlet hose on the gas valve. Remove all hose attached on the valve. Pull out the control knob. Remove the screws attached on the valve. Remove the gas valve. Install the natural gas valve and follow the same process to put everything back in place and ready to hook up the natural gas hose. Please make sure to do the leakage test on all gas connections before open any gas source.